TPO comes in all different shapes, sizes, and most importantly, thicknesses. And that is what we're talking about today because we get this question from commercial building owners all the time. 45 mil, 60 mil. What's right for me? What are the pros? What are the cons? Well, that's what we're going to break down today. And I think it's important to start by addressing the fact that there are multiple manufacturers of TPO roofing out in the marketplace. And when we're talking today, we're going to talk about the relative thicknesses, meaning you're going to see thicknesses at the entry level generally somewhere between 40 to 45 mils or thickness. That's the millage is the thickness rating that they give. And then you're going to see it somewhere in that generally 55 to 60 range. And then at the ultra high level, you're going to see in that 80 to 90 mil range. Now, there may be some variables and some outliers out there from some smaller and more independent manufacturers, but for today's purposes, we're going to use the term 45 and 60 mil. That is what Elevate makes. Obviously, we prefer the Elevate product, and it just makes it for simple discussion purposes. But if they're within about 5 mils, it's going to be a very applicable conversation. So, pros and cons. Let's start with the 45 mil. So, 45 mil TPO is a great product, and it's the right product for a lot of applications. The pros of it, number one, you're going to have the lowest day one investment cost for your building, whether that's on a recover or replacement. Lifespan, reasonably, is going to be in that 12 to 15 year for a real lifespan. After that, generally, you're going to have some pretty serious maintenance issues or need to start thinking about coatings, recovers, replacements, and it is perfect for what we would call non-high traffic areas. Think of cold storage units, big warehouses that are just storing materials. It is a great application for that. Or if you know you have a shorter term hold window or time period where you're going to own the product. Now, some negatives. It does have a shorter life than its 60 mil or 80 to 90 mil counterparts, especially if you compare that to some of the other single membrane or low slope products out on the market, like say EPDM. The other one is it is not as resistant to damage as well as those 60 and 90 mil counterparts, but it does still perform very well against punctures and tears as compared to say like an EPDM product. So those are the pros, those are the cons, 45 mil. Now let's talk about 60 mil. So number one, the biggest pro is the increased lifespan. A reasonable lifespan for a 60 mil TPO roof is going to be in that 20 to 25 year range. Many of the manufacturers will actually go up to a 20-year full system warranty when that's actually installed on your commercial building. Again, offers superior resistance to punctures and tears, even more so than a 45 mil. Now, what are the cons? The cons are it's more expensive, right? That's really the single biggest one. And it does not quite have the same lifespan as if you were to compare it to a 60 mil EPDM, right? There's ways to make an EPDM or a rubber roof last a little bit longer in that same millage or thickness. So those are kind of the pros and cons. We have tons of other videos breaking down the differences between EPDM and TPO and PVC to help determine what's the right application for your commercial building. If you're interested in learning more about this product and seeing if it's a fit for you, our team of experts would love to help you. You can always give us a call at 586-566-0308 or skip the line, book online at kanga-roof.com. And as always, if you're getting benefit out of this, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button below. We're coming out with these new informational pieces every week to help keep you the most informed consumer here in Metro Detroit. Lastly, and most of all, I do hope you got some benefit out of this, and I really hope you have a Kangarific day.